Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're just going to do a real short video on this shop stool that I purchased from Amazon. First off, I want to mention I didn't want to go with your standard stool, non-hydraulic. I wanted something fairly nice, something with some cushion. And originally I wanted the OEM Tools or Work Pro stool because it had a really cool design and it came in, your lime green. And unfortunately, the OEM Tools one, I'll throw a picture up in here, had horrible reviews. So I stayed away from that. And the Work Pro one is the exact same thing, but it had decent reviews, but I was still sketched out because of the OEM Tools one, and I knew it was the exact same thing. So I just stayed away from it altogether. Now, in general, these shop stools are not cheap. The hydraulic ones, I mean, you're looking anywhere from $50 to $100 and something depending. This one is going to range around $60, so really decent price for a stool. I mean, I didn't want to spend this much money on a stool, but for a good one, that's basically what you're going to pay unless you find something on sale. But hopefully I've thrown some pictures up in here of the OEM Tools one. This is the Sunex Tools one, as you can see here. It's $60 like I said, or $70 or $75 if you want it professionally assembled before you receive it. Some of the features, it has a capacity of 250 pounds, I believe. It is hydraulic. You got adjustable anti-slip feet on the bottom, so you can adjust it if your floor is unlevel. Super simple to assemble. I think it took me maybe 15 minutes. It comes with all the hardware and everything, and the feet just slide into this piece, and it's got another piece on the bottom that crimps it together. And I've had it for about a week now. It's holding up very well. Hydraulic shock works really well. Hasn't gone out on me, so that's a good thing. But I also keep mine as low as it'll go because it's basically perfect for my bench height. And it's got good padding on it. Comes with a back pad as well, and that is adjustable as well. It's got a couple bolts down here you can loosen, and it adjusts, slide the back in and out and everything. So overall, I think it's a really good shop stool for the price. It seems to be of decent quality. I really like it, but that's basically it. Real short video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.